Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to work on math standard and numbers and operations 3112C. This is the value of a digit skill. The things you're going to need, of course, again, your math path, your pencil bag, your iPad, your whiteboard, and your headphones, just like every other day. The first things I want to make sure that we go over are vocabulary. So over here in green, it says value is one of the newer words for the vocabulary today because value means how much something is worth. And when we're talking about the value of a digit, we're wondering how much that digit is worth. Quick review again, digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Digits make numbers. Okay, we're talking about the place value name. So in the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s, depending upon how many digits are in a number, that's what depending upon which place values you're using. And do you know where each place value is located in a number? You still have to know those skills from previous lessons. Let's go through and just kind of look at a few. You do not need your whiteboard yet. I just want you to kind of follow along, watch and listen, and in a little bit I'll have you grab your whiteboard. So the first thing is looking at this number up here in the top left-hand corner. This number, and I break it into chunks, would be 782, and because I get to the comma, I say thousands, so 782,000. And then over here, 034 is just 34. So 782,034. Now the value that we're looking for is the digit 8. So how much is the digit 8 worth? Now it's not worth just 8 because it's not in the ones place. If I have 1 8, it's worth 8. But as I move up into different place values, the larger the place value gets, the more it's worth. So since this is the ones, then the threes and the tens, the zeros and the hundreds, the 2 is in the thousands, the 8 is in the 10,000s, and the 7 is in the 100,000s. The 8, since it's in the 10,000s, that means I have 8 10,000s. So 8 10,000s ends up being 80,000. So you can see everything to the right of it in the smaller place value changes to zeros. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after the 8 or to the right of the 8, just like we have 4 zeros to the right of the 8 here. Notice when we're talking about the value of that digit, we're not talking about anything to the left or the bigger place values. We're only talking about that place value plus everything behind it changes to 0 because we're just talking about the one place value. Let's try another one. Same idea. So now our new number is 835,746. How much is the digit 4 worth? Once again, we see that the 4 is in the second place value, which if we go through them again, it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Remember, if you ever need to remember where those are at, just go look above the Red Fox and the River Otter Room, and you will see where they are at. Okay, so our second place value is in the tens place, so 4 tens. So if I took 4 10 times, or if I took 10, 4 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, or if I just change this 6 behind the 4 to a 0 and forget about all the digits to the left, that would leave me with a 4 0. So the value of the digit is 40. Try another one. 902,647. Looking in the digit 7, how much is it worth? It's in the smallest place value, the first one here. The smallest place value is the ones. If I had 7 ones, how much would I have? Hopefully you said just 7 or thought 7 in your head. 7 ones is just 7. That first place value, you don't have to, there's no zeros to change or no digits to change to 0, so it just becomes that. It stays at what it is. All right, let's look at the same number, 902,647. This time, the other end, how much is the 9 worth? You're changing everything to 0 behind it because it's in that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 place value. Then you're going to have 5 zeros behind it. So your number would look like 900, and then you got to say the comma, 1,000. 900,000. Next one. Same number, 902,647. How much is the digit 0 worth? A little bit different. No matter where a 0 is at, it still has a value of 0. Now we could change the digits behind it to zeros, or we could just say it's worth 0, because anything that has 0 in it is still 0. I could have 0 bags of $1 million. I'm still going to have $0 because I don't have any bags. So you could write it with the comma in here and just say 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. That's the same thing though as if you just wrote 0. Either one of these would be correct, but just putting 0 by itself is going to be what most people do. All right. Next, we're going to move on to some whiteboard practice. So now go ahead, grab your whiteboard stuff, which would be your eraser, your marker, and of course your whiteboard. While you're getting that out, if you're still listening, I have a joke of the day I'm going to share with you. Okay, so here's my joke of the day as you're getting your stuff out. Why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? Because usually people don't say no to dessert. We love dessert. It's yummy cookies, ice cream, all that stuff. Why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? The answer? Because she was stuffed. She couldn't eat anymore. She was full of stuffing. Great joke. All right, let's go to the next question. Whiteboard. On your whiteboard, the number 48,652, what is the value of the 4? What is the value of the 4? And I got to get something to write with here too, my marker. Okay. What is the value of the 4 here? Okay, well, I'm going to put 4 down because I know that's going to be the first digit I'm writing. Now I'm going to change all of these behind it to 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. There's my 4 zeros. Where do I put my comma? Well, it's always 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, starting from the right. 1, 2, 3, comma. So the value of the 4 is 40,000. The value of the 4 is 40,000. Let's try another one. Erase your board. Okay, on your board, in the number 93,207, what is the value of the 9? Write that down on your board. Basically, I'm imagining that this little space is your whiteboard. You don't have to write all this other stuff that I did. Again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after the 9, or digits after the 9, so I'm going to change those to zeros. The 3 becomes a 0. The 2 becomes a 0. The 0 stays a 0. And the 7 becomes a 0. 1, 2, 3, comma, 90,000 is the value of the 9. 90,000. Erase. Hopefully you're getting that. Okay. Next one, what is the value of the 6? Well, our number is 702,648. Now I'm focusing just on the 6 right away. I am not worried about anything to the left. But everything to the right has to change to a 0. So the 6 is in the ones, tens, hundreds place. So 6 hundreds would be the same as saying 600. All right, hope you had that. Erase your board. At any time, pause if I'm going too fast, and then you can just think a little bit longer. Sometimes you just need time to think. You want to make sure you feel comfortable with it. So what is the value of the 1? Pause this video if you want to think about it for a little bit and write it on your board. As I look at it, again, I see that it's in the second place value. So I'm forgetting about everything to the left, and I'm changing all the stuff to the right. So the 5 becomes a 0. The 1, of course, stays itself. So the value of 110 is 10. Makes sense. If I have 110, it's worth 10. Erase your board. Pretty big number here. Think it in your head as I say it. 948,527. How much, what is the value of the 4? How much is it worth? Pause the video if you don't want to listen to me give the answer too quick. Try and write it down. To the left, not going to think about it. Don't count those. But to the right, I've got to count all those. So the 4 stays a 4. Everything to the right changes to a 0. 8 becomes a 0. 5 becomes a 0. 2 becomes a 0. 7 becomes a 0. Put my comma in there. 40,000 is the correct answer. Hopefully that's what you had. All right, erase your board. We talked about the 0 earlier. What is the value of the 0? Well, the 0 is not in the ones, it's not in the tens, it's not in the hundreds, it's in the thousands. So thinking to yourself, if you had $0,000 bills, how much would you have? Hopefully, like before, you remember that we're saying 0. 0 of anything is 0. You don't have anything. Okay, erase your board. 729,451. Pause the video if you want to think about how it's the value of it. Otherwise, I'm going to go through. The 9 is right here. It's in the thousands place. So I would have 9,000 is the value. 4, 5, and 1 become zeros. Anything in front of it, we're not even looking at anymore. Now we're going to switch gears a little bit. So erase your boards. And this one's a little trickier. Okay, so we're starting out with which number has a digit with the value of 300. The one trick here is I'm going to look for anything, any number that has the digit 3 in it. Well, of course, it looks like all of these do. Here's the 3 in the first one, 3 in this one, 3 down here, 3 over here. So they all have the 3. Okay, so now I got to figure out which ones are in the hundreds place. Now notice again, there's 1, 2, 3 digits. It's no different down here. The 3 has to be in the third digit, or the third place value, I'm sorry. So if I count here 1, 2, 3, for this to be true, that would have to be a 3. It's not. A cannot be one of the answers. Okay, third place value again, 1, 2, 3. Oop, I guess I went to C before I went to B. Oh, well, silly eye cuff. Okay, so that won't work either because there's a 7 in the third place value or the hundreds place. C does not work. Okay, let's go down to B. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. There is a 3 in the hundreds place. B would be my correct answer. Now, never just say, okay, I'm done. I got the answer and move on. Make sure that you're double checking. Okay, maybe D is a good answer too. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, the hundreds place is a 9. No, the 3 is not in the correct spot there. That's in the thousands. So D is the wrong answer. So there is only one right answer, and B is that right answer. Okay, let's look at the next one. Which number or numbers, ooh, look at this, an S on there, has a digit with the value of 2,000. There might be more than one right answer. Well, let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third place or the fourth place value over, or the one right next to the comma, is a thousands place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is in that position. A's cannot happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is there. C cannot happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is in the position again. B cannot happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is in the thousands place. That is our correct answer. Yay! Smiley face. D is the correct answer. All right. Which number or numbers again, ooh, there's our tricky S, has a digit with the value of 2,000? Go ahead and pause the video, try and figure it out, and then when you're done, unpause. Okay, 2,000. You should be back now. This is the thousands place. A cannot be the right answer. Thousands place is a 6. Wrong. 6. Wrong. D, once again, is the correct answer. Yay. I'm almost out of time. I only have 15 minutes. All right, last one. Pause it. Read the question. Here's your correct answer. C, B. There was 2 answers. Awesome. 15 minutes is up. Good luck. Bye.